Have you ever walked into a hotel room and seen photos of people that have stayed there in the past on the walls? Maybe seen someone's left behind 50-year-old baby blanket? What about a chewed up, one eyed dog toy hanging out under the bed or maybe peeking out? I don't think so. And I don't think you'd be very excited to stay in that hotel room, would you? When you're getting your home ready for sale, it's crucial that you do these three things to be able to maximize your sales price. I'm Holly McKhann, local realtor in Orange County. My husband and I have fixed and flipped over 200 homes, and I've helped another couple hundred people buy and sell homes. With all this vast experience, I love to bring that to work for my clients, whether they're buying or selling. Even if they're renovating or not, I've got all of the experience, tools, contractors, resources, anything someone could need related to home ownership or home improvement. You want to make sure, number one, you depersonalize your home. You would be surprised how when I'm helping clients get their home ready for sale, they will be totally forgetting certain personalized photos here and there. You just see it all the time and then you don't see it anymore. It's just part of your life. So you want to make sure you take a critical eye and look for any personal photos. Or maybe sometimes I've seen people will have some weird souvenir type things, or maybe they'll have a mask from Africa, but it looks kind of scary or menacing. You want to have your home as inviting and as beautiful as possible. You want to make it look like a hotel room or a model home. It's not supposed to look like the place you live when you're marketing your home for sale. It's supposed to be very inviting for a potential buyer and allow them to imagine their stuff, their photos, and their personalized things in your space. So you have to create a space that their brains can create that for them. So in addition to removing photos, personalized things, maybe a big initial on the wall, or all kinds of different things that make the home noticeably yours. The next thing you want to do is clear space off those horizontal surfaces. Do you have a sofa table, your kitchen counters, any kind of display shelves? You want to make sure that anything that's displayed is minimal and neutral. So I like to use real or artificial plants, maybe a candle, maybe a neutral type art piece or little accessory or something that is appealing to most of the world. You don't want to have religious items out. You don't want to have anything that's too, identifying of you and your family. So you want to just make it look like a model home as much as possible. If you are going to have accessories out, they're in groups of 3 or 5, and they're ideally pushed to one side so that someone can visualize bringing their own accessories and their own framed pictures and their own mother's glass vase that's been passed down for decades, those kind of things. They want to be able to visualize their items in your space. And last but not least are pillows and blankets on beds. You want your beds in your home to look like a hotel bed. Just today, I was in a seller's home and she had a really pretty, bright, colorful blanket. And my first thought was, oh, it's not neutral. It was okay. But what you want to do is have ideally white or maybe beige or light gray. You want it to look like a luxury hotel in the bedroom. You want to, remove the things off the nightstands. A lot of people 50 and older I see have CPAP machines. You got to hide it under the bed or in a drawer because it almost starts to look like a hospital room when there's a breathing machine next to the bed. We want to make it look like a hotel room. Put away if you have candles by your bed and they're kind of, not so ideally looking, they've been half used, maybe you hide that. Just hide everything you can under the bed and in the nightstands. Blankets and pillows have to look pretty, and ideally maybe you have 2 layers of white pillowcased pillows on the bed. I love to stack them vertically and maybe put a decorative pillow in front of them. Whatever you need to spend at Walmart, TJ Maxx Home Goods, Target to get some fresh pillows, fresh white pillowcases, and a fresh white either duvet cover or comforter. That is going to be such a good return on investment. Whatever you're spending doing that, you'll definitely get your money back, probably times 5 or 10, whatever you're spending. to make your room look like a luxury hotel room as much as possible with the bedding. And the throw blankets, don't have that 50-year-old baby blanket or some dog toys hanging out or anything. Luxury hotel room. Just keep thinking that in your mind as you're preparing your home for sale. Make sure you subscribe for more great, helpful real estate videos and content to help you make money and grow your wealth with real estate. That's my objective. Holly McKhann, Realtor, here to help you and serve you. Leave me a comment below or contact me. My phone number's below. Give me a call or text. Happy to help you however I can to grow your wealth through real estate.